Okay, now we continue with basic economic problems, or we can call it as basic economic questions. Yeah. Some say there are four basic economic problems, and some say there are three. Tapi kita boleh kata three or four. Tapi sebenarnya soalannya ada empat lah. Yeah. So the first question is that what to produce. Yeah. Second, how much to produce. Number three, how to produce. And for whom to produce, yeah? What to produce, how much to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. So kita tengok one by one. So what to produce, yeah? It is actually the business or entrepreneurs should decide what are the types of goods that they are actually want to produce. Yeah, so of course it depends on demand of consumers. Yeah, and also depends on the amount of resources that the entrepreneurs have. Kalaulah resources, kita tahu resources ni limited. Jadi the entrepreneurs, the business person should use the resources efficiently in order to produce the types of good that they have choose. The second one is how much to produce. How much is quantity lah, yeah, refers to the quantity of goods to be produced. Yes, it is also depend on the consumer's demand, and it also depends on the availability of resources. Yeah, so we know that the resources are limited, then we as entrepreneurs will try to use these resources efficiently to produce the exact ataupun to produce the efficient amount of goods and services. How to produce, yeah, how to produce refers to technique of production or methods of production. Usually entrepreneurs ataupun business person dia akan menggunakan cheapest method ataupun least cost method. Of course, kalau entrepreneurs or business person, their objective is to maximize profit, untuk dapatkan profit yang banyak. So because of that, they will try to use minimum cost lah. Yeah. Okay. So they have two intensive ataupun two ways, yeah, to produce goods and services. Whether they can use labor intensive or capital intensive. Labor intensive, kalau kita nak guna lebih banyak labor, more labor instead of capital. Kalau capital intensive, kita menggunakan lebih banyak capital, which is machinery and so on lah, equipment and so on, berbanding dengan labor. That is how much to produce. And for whom to produce, the last one, for whom to produce, actually depends on the purchasing power of people. Okay, we atau kalau kita lah business person atau entrepreneur, kita nak menghasilkan sesuatu barang, we plan to produce goods and services, we will need to do some research lah, betul tak sekiranya kita buka kedai, so our shop is located in the rural area pedalaman atau area kampung and so on, then kita tak boleh nak jual sesuatu barang dengan mahal. Kalau kita jual barang meniaga di bandar, kita boleh jual lebih mahal lah, macam contohnya furniture. So if we have a furniture shop in village area, we cannot sell expensive or quality furniture, betul? Sebabnya the purchasing power of people live in the village is lower, so they are only can afford to buy cheaper furniture, betul? So itu adalah harga yang sepatutnya. Kalau kita berniaga di bandar in urban area, then we can sell quality furniture with the expensive price because the purchasing power of people live in urban area is higher. Ya, sebab tu mereka tinggal di urban area ataupun bandar lah, ya. So that is for whom to produce depends on the purchasing power. Okay, so that is for basic economic problem.